breakdown. So quick one. This is a trade breakdown of how of a 18RR trade I caught on Link USDT. So we'll start building our buyers from the weekly time frame. So we want to see either a rejection or a sweep of a previous weekly high to give us buyers building or to build our buyers. So we have a rejection from this resistance here, and we also had price sweeping this previous weekly high, but whichever one you want to go for. So let's go for the rejection. So after this rejection, we want to see a break on the daily time frame. So after the rejection here, we had this break here. This is a break of structure on the daily time frame. So after the break, we are sure that the weekly time frame is what bearish. Now on the daily time frame, after this break, we are going to be looking for daily storyline. So on the daily time frame, I noticed that when price violated this level and then Tuesday candle closed, Wednesday candle tapped into this daily OCA and rejected from there. So after this rejection on daily continued selling, which was in alignment of the weekly time frame. Now we had this resistance here and daily tapped into it. So Friday tapped into this resistance and closed below it. And if you check on the H4 time frame, you see that H4 broke structure after the rejection from that daily resistance. So this was where the rejection happened. The rejection happened right here, and then we had a break of structure right here. So we had a break of structure here. So after this break of structure, now we can confirm that daily is also in alignment with weekly, and we have a daily bearish storyline. Now once you've seen your daily storyline, the three ways I usually look for entries are either an entry from the left shoulder or an entry from the breakout level. So this is the breakout level, and or let's say an entry from the apex level. So we have this breakout level, we have this left shoulder, and we also have this apex, right? So these are the three possible places for entry, and then you can see that the price violated both the apex and the left shoulder before coming to break structure to the downside. So once I saw the violation of this apex and left shoulder, I was paying attention to the breakout level because it was a possible place that I would catch an entry. Now I saw this sweet SMC structure on the H4 time frame. I saw this SMC structure here. We had the sweep of this high here. We had the sweep, and then after the sweep, we had what? A break of structure. We had a break of structure right here. Go to the line chart, you see the break of structure clearly. So you can see that's a break of structure there. So once I saw the sweep and the break of structure, the last thing that was going to confirm my entry was what? Liquidity. And you can see liquidity resting just below this key level here. So this was my liquidity, and this was where I took my entry from. So I took my shots from here. This was where I entered the trade from. My stop loss was just above this wick here because that is clearly my invalidation level, right? And then my take profit was on daily time frame. My take profit was, where was my take profit? Where did I target again? Okay, yeah, this was my target. This draw on liquidity, I think this was my target, right? So that was how I got this 18RR setup. As I call this 18RR setup. Is it 18? But yeah, this is the trade breakdown, and then this is the trade before it played out. This was the trade before it played out here, and this is the trade after it played out. So yeah, questions, you can ask your questions in the comment, and please do it to like and repost and subscribe and blah blah blah. See you on the next one.